If you're thinking about investing in church management software, there are some important factors you need to know before making a decision. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Let's dive into the 12 things you should consider before buying. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for when picking the best solution for your church. Next thing to keep in mind, ease of use. The best church management software should have a clean, intuitive interface. You don't want to spend hours learning how to navigate the platform. Compared to other systems that can be complex or require additional training, church management software should make your life easier, not harder. The third thing is customization. Every church has unique needs. Whether you need custom reporting, specific membership management tools, or personalized donation tracking, ensure the software you choose allows for these customizations. Many competitors offer only limited options, so check if it gives you flexibility to adapt it to your requirements. Next, you want to look at integration capabilities. The software should integrate seamlessly with other systems you're already using, like accounting or email platforms. You don't want to deal with duplicate data entry or disconnects between platforms. Some competitors don't offer robust integrations, which could be a deal breaker if you're already using a lot of different tools. The fifth thing to consider is mobile access. Having access to your church's management tools on the go is essential. Make sure the software offers mobile apps or mobile-friendly websites that let you manage tasks wherever you are, especially for leaders who are always on the move. Many alternatives either lack this feature or have a poor mobile experience. Another key point is the support and training offered. A good customer support team can make all the difference. Ideally, you should have access to 24/7 support, a comprehensive help center, and training resources. Be cautious of platforms that don't offer sufficient support or charge extra for training. The seventh thing to look at is security. Church data is sensitive, so it's essential to have software that takes security seriously. This includes encryption, secure logins, and data backup. Some competitors may overlook these crucial features, leaving your church's data vulnerable. Next, let's talk about pricing. Church management software can be expensive, but it's worth investing in a quality platform. However, make sure you know what you're paying for, and if there are hidden fees. Some systems offer basic plans, but charge extra for essential features. Get a clear breakdown of the costs to avoid surprises down the line. Another important aspect is reporting and analytics. You'll want the software to provide detailed reports on donations, attendance, events, and more. Good reporting allows you to track church performance and make informed decisions. Other platforms may offer limited reporting options, but if you want to make data-driven decisions, this feature is crucial. Next up, automation. Church management software should help automate routine tasks like member communications, donation receipts, and event reminders. Automation saves time and reduces the chance of human error. Some competing systems may not have as many automation features, which can make things more manual and time-consuming for you. Let's talk about scalability. Your church may be small now, but it could grow in the future. Make sure the software you choose can scale with you, whether that means handling more members, offering more advanced features, or accommodating larger events. The best systems are designed to grow with your church. Another factor to consider is community and user reviews. Before committing, take a look at what other churches are saying. Look for feedback on performance, ease of use, and customer support. This can give you a good idea of what to expect, as some systems have great marketing, but lack solid reviews from actual users. The last thing is trial and flexibility. It's always a good idea to try the software before committing. Look for a platform that offers a free trial or a demo. This allows you to see if it's truly a good fit for your church's needs without locking you into a contract. Competitors may have more rigid systems with no trial period, which can leave you feeling stuck. So, should you choose this church management software? It's definitely a good option with its ease of use, customization, and scalability. But if you want something even better, something with more integrations, better pricing options, and top-notch support,